In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a timetable on Notion. Whether you're a student managing your class schedule or a professional juggling multiple projects, having a clear and organized timetable can be a game changer. Notion is a versatile tool that offers flexibility for creating such a system, making it easier to visualize and manage your weekly activities. First, let's start by opening Notion. If you're using the app or accessing it through a browser, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard where you can manage all your existing pages and databases. Next, you'll want to create a new page. You can do this by selecting the plus new page option on your sidebar. This will open a blank canvas where you can start building your timetable. It's a good idea to give your page a clear title, like Weekly Timetable, so it's easily identifiable later. Now, with your new page open, you'll want to type the command OPL directly into the Notion workspace. This command allows you to choose the table option, which will be the core of your timetable. Selecting the table will create a database where you can organize your schedule. The first step in setting up your table is to make columns for each day of the week. Simply click on the column header to edit and type in the day names, Monday through Sunday. These columns will organize your timetable day by day, allowing you a clear view of what's ahead. With your days set, you'll now make rows for your time slots. Think about your daily schedule and decide how you want to break down your time, perhaps in hourly chunks or maybe by morning and afternoon. Add these time slot labels to each row to create a clear structure for your week. Once your table's structure is in place, it's time to fill each cell with the specific classes, activities, or tasks you need to accomplish. You can simply click on a cell and begin typing. This is where your timetable starts coming together, as you can see visually how your week will unfold. To enhance clarity, consider using emojis or color highlights. Adding a sun emoji for morning tasks or a moon for evening activities can make your timetable more intuitive at a glance. You might use colors to differentiate between work, study, or leisure activities. Finally, Notion allows you to add multiple views to the same database. You could, for instance, switch between a compact list view and your detailed table view depending on your needs. This flexibility allows you to customize how you interact with your schedule based on what you're focusing on. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've created a personalized timetable on Notion that will help you manage your time efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.